Welcome back to Sky's Busy Bees. I want to start off by saying thank you so much to everyone that liked and shared my first video. Thanks for all these subscribers. Yes! We got a bunch from last video. I've enjoyed reading my comments and tips. Speaking of tips, thanks to Rob. He suggested instead of a ratchet strap, as you've seen last video that we were using, use a brick or a rock. So we took his tip into mind, and we did not have any bricks that we thought would work good, so we used the rock. The rock is working really well. Thanks for the tip, Rob. Tomorrow we are checking the hive we named Dorian. We are looking for a couple of things. One, do we have a queen? Two, if we don't have a queen, is there queen cells? Three, how does the hive population seem? And four, do they seem like they are drawing comb? Hey guys, hope y'all are doing good with all this stuff going on. But we're about to do our first inspection on hive of Dorian. Here we go.
There you go.
Yep, they're nice and taped off now.
Put a little bit of smoke down here.
Okay. Put this on. And let's take out this one right here. Looks like they're getting to it. Okay. So now today we're gonna be looking for one. We're gonna be looking for our queen. Then two, we're gonna see if we can't find the queen, are they making queen cells? So let's go ahead and get this one. Oh, they're clinging onto it. I don't see anything. Slowly, gently put that one right there. Oh, there's a little drone right there. Hey, little guy. They're trying to build to the other ones. There's a bunch in this one. Don't see a queen. Okay, now we're going to go to the next frame. Make sure this one isn't stuck together. Let's leave that right there. It's a bunch on there. Oh, I see one queen cell. Nice.
Alright.
Queen cell right there. And there's their side. Looks like over here they're going under this side. Let's go ahead and put this one back. Okay, let's move on to this frame. Oh, now it's kind of stuck together. There we go. Alright, they're clinging this one too. So there's that side.
Looks like honey in there.
Yep, bunch of worker bees. Oh, and on this side, if you look in that corner, they're sticking their heads in. Right about there. Oh, here's one with pollen up here. It's the legs. He's got a good bit. Let's put this one back in.
Good job, gently. Slide it over.
Slide this one. Oh, got a little powell on my shoulder. Okay. I'm trying to build between this one and this one.
So have you seen any new comb?
No, not really. Oh, look at that.
What's that?
Looks like all nectar.
Can we see the other side? Alright.
Yeah, I'm just working. And we have one queen cell that they are slowly trying to chew on. Right there. And they're chewing a good bit on it. Okay, we're about to close it down, but one thing you gotta remember is you gotta be careful, because grabbing the frames, you gotta be careful not to squish your bees, because my dad learned the hard way. Yep, that hurt a good bit, but it's all part of being a beekeeper. Okay, let's go ahead and smoke them. Calm down, little buzzers. Okay. Let's make sure they ain't crawling around all on this. Yep. Okay. Come on.
Just put it down.
On outside.
It'll be okay, as long as they're not in the center of it. Put it down slowly. There you go, that's good.
There we go.
Up.
Oh, yep. How about that? Well, it's the first time for everything. At least we'll know not to do that again. Okay. There we go. Okay. Let's check top. Oh. Right there and there. Just sitting there chilling. Okay.
Go ahead.
As for the queen cell that you could see here, well, we think that our queen cell on top, we think it was damaged whenever we put in, so we think that they just dragged her out and killed her. It started making more queen cells, but this has been a pretty good experience. It's very fun. I mean, I'm especially liking that all across the country schools are closed, so more time to do stuff like this. Well, I hope all of y'all are staying safe and just getting out of the house, not being all cooped up. At least just doing stuff around your yard. If you have bees, come do some stuff with your bees. Or if you don't, just find some outdoor activities. We've already got plants planted. We've got peppers, tomatoes, blueberries, strawberries. Got a whole bunch of stuff that we've been growing, just doing outside. But before y'all leave, please hit that like and subscribe button. Have a good weekend. Bye.